Want to eat like a fitness pro without spending hours in the kitchen? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you *5 fast, high-protein meal ideas that are delicious, simple, and muscle-friendly. No fluff. Just food that works. Hit that and subscribe. Let's dive in. Why high protein matters? First, why does high protein matter? Protein is the building block of muscle. It helps with muscle recovery satiety keeps you full and supports fat loss. Especially if you train hard, your body needs more protein than average. Aim for 1.0 to 2.0 grams per kilogram body weight depending on your goals. So let's make meals that work for you not against you. Show animated graphics, muscle, icon, protein chains, numbers going up. Meal idea 1, chicken and veggie sheet pan. Meal number 1, sheet pan chicken, plus veggies ready, in 20, this is one pan magic. Ingredients, boneless chicken breast, bell peppers, broccoli or your favorite veggies, olive oil, salt, pepper, herbs. Steps overlay text, 1. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Celsius. 2. Cut chicken plus veggies into bite-sized pieces. 3. Toss in olive oil plus salt plus pepper plus herbs, rosemary or thyme. 4. Spread on sheet pan in a single layer. 5. Bake 18 to 20 minutes until chicken is cooked through. Protein per serving, 35 to 40 grams depending on portion size. Pair it with a side of quinoa or brown rice for extra carbs. Minimal dishes. Maximum gain. MEAL idea 2, salmon quinoa bowl. Meal number 2, salmon quinoa power bowl a bowl that's as eye-catching as it is nutrient-dense. Ingredients, salmon fillet, cooked quinoa, spinach or kale, avocado slices, lemon, olive oil, garlic. Steps, point 1. Season salmon with salt, pepper, lemon juice. 2. Pan. Sear for 3 to 4 minutes per side until flaky. Point 3. In bowl, layer quinoa, greens, avocado, and top with salmon. Greek yogurt adds extra protein plus probiotics. Combined, this wrap gives you 20 to 25 grams protein in minutes. Meal idea 5, chickpea and tuna salad. Meal number 5, chickpea and tuna quick salad vegetarian friendly and filling. Ingredients, canned tuna in water, chickpeas cooked or canned, cucumber, tomato, olive oil, lemon juice, herbs parsley, mint. Steps, point 1. Drain and flake tuna. 2. Add chickpeas. 3. Chop cucumber plus tomato. 4. Mix with olive oil, lemon, herbs, salt, pepper. Point 5. Chill or eat immediately. Tuna plus chickpeas equals high protein, fiber, and flavor. You've got a balanced, low cook, no heat meal Tips to make meals faster and better. Want to cook smarter, not harder? Here are tips. Meal prep in batch. Cook 2 to 3 meals at once on weekends. Use frozen veggies. Quick, no chopping. Spice it up. Herbs, hot sauce. Herbs add flavor fast. Invest in a good pan or air fryer. Saves time. Portion your protein. Measure chicken or fish to hit your macros. Swap ingredients smartly. For example, salmon gives chicken, quinoa gives
These
brown
small
rice or
tweaks
lentils.
Can cut your cooking time in half but keep macronutrients intact. Myths, misconceptions about high-protein meals. Let's bust a few myths around high-protein eating. Myth. High protein will damage my kidneys. Truth. For healthy individuals, moderate to high protein is safe. Kidney concerns are eyes only in those with kidney disease. Myth. You need shakes for protein. Truth. Real food first. Shakes are a supplement, not requirement. Myth. You can't eat carbs on a high-protein diet. Truth. Carbs are fuel. You balance with protein plus healthy carbs plus fats. How this fuel helps your fitness goals when you feed your body with high-protein meals like these. Your asterisk recovery accelerates asterisk you maintain asterisk lean muscle asterisk even during fat loss. You feel asterisk fuller longer asterisk. Reducing cravings your metabolism stays active protein has high thermic effect. When food works asterisk with asterisk your training, results come faster. Ready to fuel your workouts like a pro? Try these 5 high-protein meals this week. Let me know in comments, which one are you cooking first? Smash that asterisk like asterisk share asterisk with your gym buddy, and asterisk subscribe asterisk for more real food recipes plus fitness hacks. 4. Drizzle olive oil, optional garlic or herbs. Salmon gives you omega-3 South plus tilde, asterisk 25 to 30 g protein asterisk. Quinoa adds a plant-based protein boost. This bowl brings balance, protein, fats, fiber. Meal idea 3. Beef stir-fry with beans meal number 3. Asterisk quick beef and beans stir-fry asterisk perfect when you want savory and fast. Asterisk ingredients, asterisk lean beef strips, kidney beans or black beans, onion, bell pepper, soy sauce, garlic, ginger. Asterisk steps, asterisk 1. Sauté onion plus garlic plus ginger. 2. Add beef strips, cook until browned. 3. Add beans plus bell pepper. 4. Pour soy sauce or tamari and stir 1 to 2 min. 5. Serve with steamed veggies or a small side of rice. Beans plus beef equals double protein punch. You get both asterisk animal plus plant protein asterisk. Meal idea for Greek yogurt and egg protein wrap meal number for asterisk Greek yogurt egg wrap asterisk best for quick breakfasts or on-the-go meals. Asterisk ingredients, asterisk whole egg plus to egg whites, whole grain wrap, plain Greek yogurt, spinach or salad greens, seasoning. Asterisk steps, asterisk 1. Scramble egg plus whites. 2. Warm the wrap. Spread a layer of Greek yogurt. 3. Add eggs plus spinach. 4. Roll tight. Optionally grill both sides for crisp. This is asterisk FlexFit Pro asterisk. Eat smart, train hard, live strong.